Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2016 Honda Fit oil light. Turn the ignition to on without starting, cycle the select/reset knob until oil life blinks, then press and hold until the display resets to 100%. If your model uses the touchscreen, access vehicle settings, find maintenance minder, and follow the on-screen reset prompts for oil life. Double-check the message clears before driving. In this video, I will show how to reset the 2016 Honda Fit oil light. Locate the oil life percentage on the dash and confirm the maintenance minder message appears. Check for other warning icons and ensure the oil and filter were changed according to service guidelines. Use the select/reset knob or the touchscreen sequence as applicable, and only reset after maintenance is properly completed to keep your Fit running reliably. In this video, I will show how to reset the 2016 Honda Fit oil light. If the oil light won't reset, check battery voltage and repeat the reset procedure with the ignition on. Refer to the owner's manual for trim-specific nuances and clear any stored codes if necessary. When the light persists after proper steps, seek dealer assistance to diagnose sensor or system faults to avoid potential engine damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.